Hello friends, it's Angela. Welcome back to the Hit Kit Club channel. Today I'm sharing the process video of the layout I made for this week weekly challenge, and I'm using the January 2020 kits. I made a recipe layout and the list of the things I had to include in the project were layered hearts, stitching, frame, black and white accent, sparkle and fussy cutting. I started cutting one of the HitKit January cut files. These are exclusive cut files for HitKit subscribers, and I choose cut file number 7 that has a bunch of speech bubbles sticked all together. I cut it twice, once on a basil white cardstock and another one on a Pink Fresh Studio paper called Favorite Story. I did it because I wanted a white frame around the striped speech bubble. As a base of the layout, I went for another Pink Fresh Studio paper called Joyful Heart, and it's a pink dotted paper. I added all the striped speech bubbles in the center of the paper, and I stick in place also the outline using some foam tape to give dimension. I used the pre-cut squared foam tape to stick the outline in place that I cut with a pair of scissors to make them smaller, so to fit in the narrow borders of the cut file. I chose a selfie that shot my son Francesco. He was studying and one of our cats jumped on his desk and lay down on his books. And the title is this phrase sticker from Pink Fresh Studio that says Wowza. Maybe it's not correct, but something like that. And I stick it on a piece of vellum. This is a leftover, I think, from October kits. I fussy cut around it, and then I stick it on top of the cut files. From paper Be Right Back, I fussy cut some of the speech bubbles and other icons like the mobile phones to decorate the page, because my son is very high-tech person. And now I'm starting decorating with all the bits and pieces that are in the kit. To add a touch of texture to the page, I decided to stitch with my sewing machine a line following the profile of the cut file, just a few millimeters beside the cut file. Now I'm selecting some die cuts from my favorite story ephemera pack to continue embellishing the page. I grabbed a few frames. The bigger is to frame my sun face, and the second one to frame the cats in the photo, and some small messages and icons and little pieces that I thought could fit the page. Here I am showing 3 embellishments I created using a few die cuts and chipboards. I layered one on the other and stitched them together with a sewing machine just to create some more texture and interesting. The final touch of color are these puffy stickers from Lucky's collection. I added some red and pink hearts here and there, and this completely changed the look of the page. Now I'm adding a little stripe of black and white on the side of the page that I sewed off camera. Here I'm stamping the date. And now I'm adding some droplets of gold ink, Janak filled gold ink from my November kit. I used the 80 swap silver tape to punch some hearts to layer in the page, and basically the layout is done. Thank you so much for stopping by and for being indulgent with my English. I wish you a fabulous day. See you soon. Bye.